Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I kind of want to discuss how I put my thumb on it, and we do kind of one rotation. That's my favorite throw, and you kind of manipulate it. And after you put your thumb on it with your meters and stuff like that, you can kind of slow it down. Now, from right here where I'm at right now, 3 meters, you just hold it like a hammer grip. So I don't know if you guys know, this is print steel, the Bowie knife, but I usually use that Glock. You know, I put my thumb on it to manipulate it, stuff like that. But I love these knives too. These are sweet for rotational. So let's put our thumb on it, see if we can do one rotation. So how I did that right there is I just put my thumb on it, I manipulated it kind of with my wrist. If I was back just a little bit further, I would be pointing my wrist down a little bit more to kind of slow it down so it drags. So this is the Glock knife. This is the Glock 81. This is from Austria, super sharp. It does get brittle right about in this area right here where it breaks off, stuff like this. But this is the knife that I totally love to do one rotation with from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meters. If I was at 3 meters, you can look back in my shorts. If I was at 3 meters, I hold it like a hammer grip. 5 meters, I put my thumb on it. After 5.5 meters, that's where you're gonna put your finger on it to slow that rotation down. So when you guys are messing with this Glock and you have your thumb on it or whatever, and you're trying to manipulate it for that one rotation, you definitely have to mess with it. These are my Glock knives that I got. I got some other ones I'll show you here in just a little bit where they break. They break about somewhere in this area, but you just put your thumb on it and you kind of manipulate it. All right, this is that Glock knife that I did not make, but this is the 78. This is the one without the saw on the back. It's from Austria too, but I didn't get it from Austria. I got it from a dude in Poland, about brand new. This is that 81 with the saw on the back, but you guys ought to go out and get you a Glock knife. All right, guys, this is where the Glock knife usually breaks, about right there. It's not, I mean, it is a big deal, but you ought to get some extras if you're really planning on throwing these. They're only 35 bucks on Amazon, so. These Glock knives, they hit so hard. So I kind of want to explain, I don't know if you guys have seen my previous videos where I showed you where I was at the Game of Throws and Danger Fest, and you know, I did do a couple competitions last year. I do have a story behind how I started knife throwing and how I got involved into the community and how I earned these two. Well, you guys stay tuned, like and subscribe, leave some comments, and you know what? I'll see you in the next one.